the next days and nights. Hi everyone! Yeah, great response. Yeah, thank you. So there are some safety words for you. First of all, since this is a water ride, you may get wet. So take care of all your belongings, especially the electronic devices, because you may get wet. And also all your hands, arms, feet and legs, please put inside the boat, otherwise you may be bitten by the crocodile on the right hand side. Can you see that? Can you see that? There's a crocodile inside the cave. Yeah, just over there on the right hand side. So now keep looking at your right hand side. What can you see besides the crocodile? What can you see? What can you see? Yeah, don't tell me the stones. Yeah, trees, water, humans, something like that. Yeah, no one. Okay. Actually, upstairs on the big tree, there's a Thai sand tree house. So have you ever been there? No one? Okay, yeah, if you want to go there, you need to take the boat over there on that stop, but not this boat. So we can go now. So now, let's say hi to the people on your left. Hi! Yeah, one response, great. And also let's say goodbye to people on your right. Bye bye. Because we may not meet them again. So the whole river is about 4,000 miles. But don't worry, I know it's shortcut. It only takes about 3 days and 2 nights. And I believe you can see that there is one elephant here. She's the mother elephant. She's the mother elephant, and she is drinking the water. So let's move on. On the right hand side, there's a brown elephant. He loves starving all the time. That's why his skin is so bad. And be careful of his nose. He has already learned how to splash water. Be careful of that. And on the front, there's a father. Oh, hear that? That's a father elephant. He loves splash water all the time. So shall we play again? Are you ready? 3, 2, and 1. Okay, just kidding. Yeah, got you. Oops, it seems I got the wrong way, but never mind. I never got the right way. Just follow me. Yeah, what can we see? Oh, on the left hand side, there are 2 spiders. They are the biggest spider in the world, and they can jump very, very far away. Now look at your right hand side. There's always one jumps to here, from left to the right. And on the front, there's an elephant god. And this security, the crowbar next. There are 2 on the right, and also 1 more on your left. So now let's go deeper, 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 deeper on the jungle. What is waiting for us? Oh, so many crocodiles. Try to be silent. They are sleeping. If you wake them up, they may bite you. So now let's visit our friend Professor Potter, his campsite. Oops, it seems he didn't lock the door. That's why so many girls here. Oh, here's the last one. He's playing a gun. What's he shooting? Be careful of that. Oh, this place is so dangerous. Be careful of that. Oops. Yeah, on the front there's an epic parade. So many animals such as zebra, giraffes, and also the epic elephant. So, ask you a question. Do you know how to identify the male zebra and the female zebra? No one? Okay, for the male one, that is black with white stripes. And for the female one, that is white with black stripes. So, do you get the difference? Yeah, okay, no difference, just kidding. This is the second dangerous elephant in this world. Most dangerous one is mother-in-law. Okay, let's move on. Oh, there are some big guys inside the water. What are they? They are the hippos. Each of them is about 6,000 pounds. It's very heavy. Oh, can you see the mouth? It's so very gross, so smelly. Don't put your hands outside, otherwise they may shake with you. And on the front, there are some safaris here. They are chased by the rhinos, and the animals around them are just laughing at them. But maybe we can just leave them alone, because they have already climbed here for over 10 years. So maybe let's move on. Oh, why so many bones here? It seems this is a place of headhunters. Try to be silent again. They love our heads. Get down. What Watch out! Be careful! Be careful! This weapon is so dangerous! Everybody alright? Anybody get hurt? Yeah, maybe we can just one hand to touch our head to see whether our head is still here. Yeah, that's great. Everybody alright? So let's get back to the dog. Oh, hang on. I'm turning right. Where is the bounds? I'm turning left now. Oh, this is the canyon of the god, protected by the fire god and the water god. Oh, I got to far now. Let's go backward. Come on, let's go backward. Oh, I can't run backward anymore. What is coming? What is waiting for us? What's this? Oh, this is the fire god. It seems that he is a little bit. Everybody alright? Anybody on fire? Yeah, no one great. Otherwise I will be fine. So people get back to the door. Final reminder. All your hands, arms, feet and legs please put inside the boat. Otherwise you may broke down or drop. So yeah, or arms. Yeah, please put inside the boat. Yeah, thank you. And also everyone seatbelt. Yeah, thank you. Please seatbelt.